William Douglas narrates his experience when he was 10 or 11 years old. He had joined the YMCA swimming pool to learn swimming. He did not go to the Yakima River to swim as it was dangerous. This shows that he was having a fear of water. Now, William's mother would warn him not to go near the Yakima River and would discuss the various incidents of drowning. He felt that the pool, which was 2 to 3 feet deep at one end and 9 feet deep at the other end, was quite safe. Now, actually, he didn't like the idea of doing the swimming alone because he was very thin and he was having skinny legs. William joined the swimming pool at YMCA. Then he was still having fear in his mind, but he collected his confidence and started learning swimming by watching the other boys and copying them. And he had done this twice or thrice at different times a week. Then he had experienced a misadventure or a tragic incident. Now, when William reached the pool, no one was around him. That is why he sat on the edge to wait for other boys. As the swimming pool was empty, William could see the bottom of the pool, which was as clear as a bathtub. When William was waiting for other boys to come, then suddenly a boy of 18 years came there. He was having a well-built body with rippling muscles. He seemed to be a very strong and healthy boy. He asked William, "Hi Skinny, how would you like to be ducked?" And with these words, he picked him up and threw William in the deep end of the pool. Now William was landing in sitting position. His mouth was open, and when he tried to breathe in, he swallowed water. He was frightened, but still he was having control over his mind. On the way, he made a plan that as soon as he would touch the bottom of the pool, he would make a big jump and come to the surface of the pool like a cork. Cork is the lightest material. Then, when he was landing down, it seemed that it was a very long way. Those 9 feet were like 90 for him. And still, he was waiting for the bottom. His lungs were ready to burst. But when he reached the bottom, he pushed the tiles as strongly as he could, and then he started coming towards upside. But when he opened his eyes, he saw nothing but water. Slowly, his eyes came out, his nose came out, but not his mouth. Then he started second journey again towards the bottom of the pool.